Hey there everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing 3 healthy and affordable food swaps that you can do in order to make cooking your meals faster and easier. In case you are new here, my name is Marissa and I am a pharmacist and holistic health coach, and here on my channel I share videos on how to live holistically so that you can live a more balanced and healthier life. If you're interested in following along, then make sure to hit that red subscribe button right below. Cooking and preparing your own food is, in my opinion, a key component of improving your health. It allows you to have so much more control on what foods you choose to consume, and it's also so much more affordable than going out to eat all of the time or buying frozen pre-made dinners. So if you are somebody who doesn't like to cook or you don't have a lot of time to cook, then this video is for you because I'm going to share some really easy food swaps that you can make while you're cooking so that making your meals happens easier, quicker, and feels much more effortless while still remaining healthy and nourishing to your body. So food swap number 1 is to buy frozen vegetables. Frozen vegetables have just as much, if not more, nutrients than fresh vegetables do, and it's because they are frozen immediately after harvesting versus having to wait to get to the grocery store and then spend time in your refrigerator before you cook them up. They are also already washed and chopped, so the prep work is done, and all you gotta do is add them into your recipes. Some of my favorites include frozen chopped onions, frozen peppers and onions, frozen mixed vegetables, frozen peas, frozen green beans, frozen pureed butternut squash, frozen spinach, frozen hash browns, and frozen diced sweet potatoes. One thing to keep in mind when you are buying frozen vegetables is to look at their ingredient list. Frozen vegetables can turn unhealthy real fast if the company that produced it added a lot of extra ingredients like salt and sugar in with the vegetables. What I do is look for products that only contain the actual vegetables that you see listed on the front of the bag, and if needed, like with the potatoes, I'll just add my own salt and seasonings into it while I'm cooking. If you are looking for ideas on how to cook with these frozen vegetables, then definitely check out the description box below. I've included a link to all of the recipes that I have here on my channel, and when you watch those videos, you will see me cook with these frozen vegetables all the time. Food swap number 2 is pre-sliced and already minced fresh produce. So sometimes these can be more expensive than if you were to buy the produce that requires you to prepare it yourself. But if you're in a bind and your budget allows for it, then this can be a great option. Now there are a few that I use the most, and those are pre-minced garlic and sliced mushrooms. These two, in my opinion, are affordable food swaps that you can make, and they can save you a bunch of time when you're cooking in your kitchen. Another interesting one that I've started using recently is baby carrots. I find that most people, including myself, just think of these for like a healthy snack, but you can use these when cooking your recipes. They are already washed and peeled, and all you gotta do is slice them, or you can, leave them whole, whatever you wanna do. The 2 recipes that I've shared here on my channel so far, where I've used these to help me make the dish, is my ham and split pea soup and my healthier chicken and dumplings recipe. I will leave them linked below so that you guys can go ahead and check them out. And another good one is shredded carrots. These are great to use in stir fries and to top on salads. Food swap number 3 is microwavable rice. I would consider this to be a healthier food swap, not the healthiest, because they usually contain ingredients other than just the rice. But you guys, in a pinch, they are so nice to have on hand. 90 seconds in the microwave and they are done. If you aren't huge fans of using the microwave, you can just add the rice straight into the frying pan to help you make rice pilafs or stir fries. Rice can take a very long time to cook, and you kind of have to babysit it because if you don't, it can stick to the bottom of the pot. Now you can get like an Instapot, and I've heard that those are really awesome to make rice, but if you don't have one of those, I don't have one of those yet, then these are just nice to have on hand for the nights where you don't want to spend like 20 to 45 minutes making rice, especially brown rice. I do recommend that you stay away from flavored microwavable rices or ones that include salt in the ingredient list. It is way healthier to buy these without any added salt. You can add in your own salt while you're cooking, and a lot of times I find that I add rice into dishes that contain teriyaki sauce, coconut aminos, or some type of broth like chicken, vegetable, or beef. And all of these sauces and broths already contain salt, and I find that I very rarely need to add additional salt on my rice. Salt is very common to see as an added ingredient in processed food products, and unfortunately, too much salt can contribute to several chronic diseases. Now, I actually have a whole video here on YouTube where I talk about salt and how to reduce your daily consumption of it. So if you are interested in this topic, then be sure to check that out. I will leave it linked down below as well. All right, you guys, so those are my 3 healthy, affordable food swaps that you can use in order to help make cooking your meals easier and faster. I hope that you enjoyed this video and use these food swap ideas to help you prepare and cook more of your meals at home. Be sure to comment down below which food swap is your favorite and which one you want to start implementing more of when you're cooking your meals. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, especially if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want, you can even follow me on Instagram. I am always sharing cooking tips and hacks over on there. Just search for Simply Health with Marissa. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.